Universal Studios Hollywood is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year by rolling out a new tram and offering studio tours at night. It's all part of a big makeover, but neighbors are less than thrilled. CBS 2's Jeff Nguyen shows us what's happening.
In the hills above Universal Studios Hollywood, you can hear the sounds of construction for some new attractions. Neighbors like Ingrid Goncharoff are concerned about more noise after the theme park announced it will introduce nighttime studio tours on weekends between the 4th of July and Labor Day.
What can I say? I would object to it, but my objections means total nothing.
Ironically, we've never had the studio tour go out at night. It's always ended at sunset.
John Murdy is the creative director who started here as a tour guide in 1989. He says the nighttime tours will allow visitors to see famous sets like the Psycho House with characters coming to life.
When you go by the Psycho House, you're going to see Norman Bates recreate a scene from Psycho.
The theme park says the nighttime tours will not include any explosions and the primary effects will be lighting.
The Backlot's never been lit for the tour ever in its history, over 50 years.
Set to debut this year, a ride inspired by the Fast and Furious franchise and a new interactive experience for fans of The Simpsons animated show.
The more they build, obviously you get more traffic, especially in the summertime.
The park is still working to figure out how late the nighttime tours will run. In Universal City, Jeff Nguyen, CBS 2 News.